Okay, it is Wednesday, what, the 21st? 21st of January, 2026. Time is flying by. Let's see what the temperature is. I think it's about 23, 24. We're here in Arcade, 24 degrees. Going to 54 today, 40 tonight, 53, 43 tomorrow, 51, 38 Friday. And then the lows will be 28, 23, 15, 24 through next Tuesday. So we need to finish up a threshold today if we can. I think today's going to be the only window we've got to finish that threshold. The foam we're using at the bottom of the jams needs to cure at 50 degrees plus, or the cell is closed cell foam and it won't cure properly if it's not 50 degrees, and then moisture will get in it and it'll powder up, turn into a mess. So we're going to try to finish that today. We're going to head to Athens. We're going to go in some of the grocery stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, and see how the panic has hit. See if there's anything left on the shelves. I got a loaf of bread yesterday afternoon, and it was already, people were already cleaning the stores out. So I'm sure after today, gas stations, tomorrow probably the last day you'll be able to get gas, kerosene, diesel. I think somebody mentioned all the generators at the Home Depot were already gone. So we may pick us up another propane bottle for our little 60,000 BTU heater over there. With it this cold, even this big heater struggles to keep it warm, so we use that torpedo heater over there. But then too, when it gets down to below 20 to 18 to 25, both of them, as big as this place is, struggle. So we want to try to get us some more water too. We're about out of our water, and with our filter system, really like that. We're going to be using it a lot. What else? Well, I guess we need to head out of here pretty quick, try to get all this stuff done and see if we can't get that threshold done and get a bunch of entertaining videos of people going crazy trying to get everything they can before the storm hits. If it hits as hard as they say it does, which I don't know if a crying wolf or not, we may not be able to get out of Frank's driveway. He's got a tractor up there, but I don't know, that steep hill in the woods, we may be stuck here until sometime into next week. I don't know. So I think we'll have enough stuff. We may pick up one or two items, but nothing major. We should be fine. And we need to get back on Frank's truck. I think he's going to come back up today. He's had other stuff to do. He's going to come back up today. We haven't drained the radiator yet. I think we found one. Oh, look there, you drop an extension and it doesn't hit the floor. You wonder where it goes. Well, here's one right here. He's probably going to pull both heads off today. I was going to try to help him, but I don't know if I'll be back in time. He's got one ready to pull. I have to get the other side ready, and depending on what we find in there will determine whether he's got to replace the engine. I don't know that he can rebuild this one. It's been rebuilt once. I don't know what size what the pistons were, what they used, stock pistons, where the block just needed to be honed, or where they drilled it out 30, 50, 60 thousandths. So I don't know what he's going to do about that. If he has to replace the engine or rebuild, he may just find a used low mileage engine, or we may find something to rebuild. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. And then too, the El Camino is on hold until, of course, until the truck gets squared away. He'll get back on it. Let's see, what else? Anything else we need to go over? These hubcaps off a 64, pull these off my 64 SS Chevelle. I want to sell them $600. The original, they came on 64 Chevelles and Impalas. I don't know if they came on any other years or not, but I know they came on 64 Chevelles and Impalas. So let's wrap it up and get in the road. Oh, I need to change the oil in the 2019 van too. If it gets up to 55, like they said, I'll probably just change it out there rather than try to back this thing out and bring it in. I can change it in 30 minutes on the ground up there. So we'll see how we get. So follow along and see what we get done today. Shop cat.